Hello friends, today we are going to solve this question, which is x plus 1 raised to the power 4 equals 1. So we need to find the value of x is equal to what. So first of all, I will show you the method most of the students do and find the only one solution. But as it is by quadratic equation, so we need to find the four solution. So let's see most obvious method students follow and get only one solution. So what they do is, first of all, x plus 1 raised to the power 4 equals 1. So now as power is 4, we will take the root of root 4, fourth root, and they cancel out this, and we know that fourth root, seventh root, ninth root, and nth root of 1 is always equal to 1, or 1 raised to the power n is always equal to 1. Both gives the value of 1. So on the right side we get 1, and on the left we get x plus 1. Now we send this x to the right side, or subtracting 1 on both sides, we get x is equal to 0. So yes, this is the one solution, and to check whether solution is correct or not, we put this x plus 1 raised to the power 4 equals 1. Here we will put this value of x. So 0 plus 1 raised to the power 4, and we need to find whether it is equal to 1. So 1 raised to the power anything is always 1, so 1 is equal to 1. So therefore this solution is correct. But where is the rest 3 solution? We have only got one solution. But here, this is the biquadratic equation, so we should have 4 solutions. So now let's go through the correct method of solving this question. So first of all, we will bring this 1 on the left side. So x plus 1 raised to the power 4 minus 1 equals 0. Now 1 minus 1 is the same as minus 1 raised to the power 4. Now a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4 is same as a square plus b square times a square minus b square. So expanding this, we get x plus 1 square minus 1 square times x plus 1 square plus 1 square, or it is also equal to just 1 only. So now this is equal to 0. So now whether as the product of 2, that is a dot b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or either b is equal to 0. So doing the same, either x plus 1 square minus 1 equals to 0, or this x plus 1 square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this first of all. So now this is in the form of 1, can we return 1 square? So a square minus b square equals a square minus b square equals a plus b times a minus b. So using this, we got x plus 1 plus 1 and times ax plus 1 minus 1, a plus b into a minus b is equal to 0. So now either again, if the products are 0, then either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So we got two values, that is x plus 1 plus 1, either this is equal to 0 or x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, so x is equal to 0. We got the first solution. Now this x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now either subtracting minus 2 on the both side. So x is equal to minus 2. So this is our second solution. Now solving this, we are going to expand this a plus b ka whole square. So this can be expanded as a plus b ka whole square. Everyone know that a is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So using this we get a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this plus 1 remains same, is equal to 0. Now x square plus 2x and plus 2, we have bring the x to here and a numerical to the right side, so is equal to 0. Now we note the formula of solving quadratic equation, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So what is b? B is the value next to the x, and a is value next to the x square, and c is the value of numerical term. So when we put this value in this equation, we get x is equal to minus b is minus 2 plus minus root of b square. B square is 2 square, and which is 4. So 4 minus 2 times a here is nothing, so 1, and c is 2 over 2 times a is 1. So solving things, x is equal to minus 2 plus minus root of 4 minus 2 to the 4. Actually this is 4 now. So 4ac. So 4 to the 8 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to minus 2 plus minus, this can be written as minus 4. Minus 4 can be written as 4 times minus 1. See, when we subtract 4 minus 8, then we get minus 4, and minus 4 is same as 4 times minus 1, and which equals it is over 2. Now this as it is quadratic, so obviously we are getting two solutions, and what are those two solutions? So x is equal to minus 2 plus 4 times minus 1 over 2, and x is equal to minus 2, next time minus sign, over times 4 times minus 1 over 2. Now solving this, we get minus 2 root of 4. Actually here we are using the property which is root of a dot b is equal to root a dot root b. So when we separate this, we get minus 2 plus root of 4. Root of 4 is 2, and root of minus 1 is iota. Actually this is the imaginary term, and it is minus root of minus 1 is equal to iota. So minus 2 plus 2 iota over 2, and which cancel out to be dividing both sides by 2. We get minus 1 plus iota. So this is our third solution. Now solving this, x is equal to minus 2 minus again a dot b. So root of 4 is 2, and root of minus 1 is iota, minus 2 iota over 2. So now we cancel 2, so we get x is equal to minus 1 minus iota. This is our fourth solution. So we have got four solutions, and these are number 1 x is equal to 0, number 2 second solution x is equal to -2, third solution is x is equal to -1 plus iota, and fourth solution is x is equal to -1 minus of iota. So again iota is what? Iota is imaginary number. So here we got the 4 solution. So now I am going to show you the method most of the students do, and that is longer method, and that's why they fail to solve the equation in time. And what they do is they rightly expand this like x plus 1 square times whole square equals 1. Now a plus b whole square is equal, they expand and again the value that they got after expanding this, they again expand this. So actually this is the wrong method of solving because that's the time taking method. Though we will get the 4 solution, exactly the same 4 solution, but this is the time consuming method. So we prefer this, that is a square minus b square, and it simply equals a plus b times a minus, or a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4 equals a square plus b square, that is a square minus b square. Second formula that we used is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus. So using this we have got the directly this solution. But if we have used this, then we have first of all we need to expand. Second, we need to guess one solution through hit and trial method. Third, we would have to do long division. So this is quite lengthy method. So hope you like the video, and please do like, share and subscribe because that support. Thanks for watching.